Hello, everyone. It's Brenda, and I am here to talk to you today about masks, our mask category, our rinse out treatments. These are ones that we offer, whether it's the guest primary concern or it's the guest secondary concern, and they can be used in place of a conditioner. Couple things I want for you to take away is this whole trend that's happening right now. And this is a trend now, but it has been a movement since we were founded at Aveda, because we know that you can't just go into the salon and get your hair done and expect for it to look great in between your appointments without the essential home care. And so with a focus around recommending treatment masks to your guest, you want to identify what is your guest's primary concern. You want to understand what it is that they're currently using at home. And you want to be able to understand and explain and educate your guests on why it is an important component of their home care. So I want to show you a little bit about what you can do besides just having a conversation with your guest. Now, we can both agree that it's all about that consultation. The second thing that I want to let you know is that it is the hair and scalp check. This is where you become the hair doctor and you analyze your guest's hair and scalp, and you're able to give them a pure prescription on what you would recommend for them to use for home care in their treatment mask. So first up, if you do a strength test, you are determining whether or not the guest needs that 3-layer hair repair technology from Botanical Repair. Next is a hydration test. Here you're determining, is the hair thirsty? Does the hair need that nutrient-powered hydration when it comes to Nutriplenish? And then determining whether or not your guest is showing a little bit more scalp. Maybe their hair is a little bit less dense than it has been in the past. And so in there, you'd be recommending the Embody Advanced Hair and Scalp Mask. Now, all of these are intended to be used in place of the conditioner every 3 to 5 washes, and they only need to be left on the hair 2 to 5 minutes. That's really important for us to explain to our guests because they probably haven't used a treatment mask lately because they don't have time. So if we can give them something high performing and something that they can use in the shower, and they don't have to waste water, we're caring for the world that we live in. Now, how do you create this conversation? Let me give you a couple of conversation starters that will lead you into recommending one of those 3 top global concerns. So here are some ideas. How are you currently treating your hair at home? You can say, what treatment masks are you using at home? This would help for you to identify what is the gap in their system. Next is, are you looking to improve the hydration, repair your hair, or reduce shedding or hair loss? So very pointed for you to be able to identify which mask would be appropriate for them. And then the next one is just a little conversation starter to prompt the guest to say yes or no, but are you looking to improve the appearance of health in your hair? I don't know anyone that would respond with no. So the minute they say yes, you can start to say, I have options for you. Let me show you throughout our time together. You can also use the solutions formula. Because you currently don't have a treatment mask at home and we determined that your hair needs some hydration, here is our Nutriplenish Hydrating Light Shampoo that will give you that great moisture inside and outside of your hair all at the same time. So those are my pro tips for you in recommending treatment masks and supporting your guest home care.